Hello guys, today I'm going to show you this mobile phone 3G Blackview GPS FM gesture black and then something else, which is essentially a phone which I've got from Amazon. It's a cheap one, it's $59.99, or at least that's the current price. I'm going to link it down there in the description if you want to check it. So yeah, today's video is going to be a box opening of this extremely cheap smartphone, and if you have any questions about it, you know what to do. Okay. The box. The box is actually quite cool. I'm not sure if you can spot this little pattern here, but it looks good. So the model of this phone is A60, as you can see. Fantastic. I have no idea what Waterdrop screen means, but yeah, okay. 1 GB of RAM, 16 GB of storage, a big battery, decent camera. All information is for reference only. Prevail in kind. Okay, whatever that means. So let's see. Ooh. So that's pretty much the box content. I have the phone. We're going to talk about it in a second. I have a charging cable, micro USB, charging brick. It's a weird design, this one. It's a bit wobbly. And that's it. Not much. But again, this phone is £60, so it's not very expensive. We don't expect much from it. Here's the book. How to boot. Okay, let's read the book for a change. So we have a headphone jack, which is something which we miss in the modern phones. Proximity light receiver, front camera with identification screen, charger, microphone. On the back we have the speaker, volume up, volume down, power button, camera and flashlight. Inside we have slot for 2 SIM cards and slot for an SD card. I think it supports up to 128 gigs, which is quite good, and so on and so on and so on. Wow. Ooh. This feeling of a new phone, so good. Is there, oh my goodness, look at this, it comes. So it comes with a screen protector pre-installed, and I already put some fingerprints on it. And it comes with a silicone glove, which is kind of glued to it. Oh, that's nice. Plastic, but still, it feels good. Actually, it feels good. So how do we open this bit here? Do we swipe? Fingerprints already. Come on. Of the screen, I think. So it shouldn't be that one, should it? No? Oh, there you go. Good. Okay. It's well hidden. And it's actually in the front of the phone. Right here under the buttons. So what do we need to get all the buttons away with it? It looks like it. Okay, that's funny. Whoa. Okay. SIM 1, SIM 2, SD card. And that's it. So now let's close it and let's start it. I have no idea if this thing has any level of waterproof or whatsoever. And it's on, it's alive. You can see the light, all the fingerprints. And now let's wait. And probably clean the screen a little bit. Oh, the screen protector. Come on. Get started. United States. So volume up, volume down. Oh, it's not United States. Let's go to the United Kingdom. If that's possible, of course. Oh, apparently not. So, okay, good. It doesn't feel cheap. Oh, it doesn't feel premium, of course, but it's okay. I like the back. And the weird protector it comes with. Ooh, look at this. Okay. So let's check the Android version. There are icons there, but you can barely see them. System. Where is it? It's probably right in front of me and I can't see it. Language, gestures, about phone. Here? Yes, here we go. So Android version is apparently Android Go. Whatever that means. Is this going to work here? Nope. Oh yeah, it does. So it's Oreo. Okay. Let's see the camera. Look decent. Right. Is this optical zoom? Looks like it. But we're going to leave this for all the tests you're going to request, and I'm going to try and perform them. So far, looks okay. Ask me your questions, I'll try to answer them. If you want me to try and play any games on it, just put them on the comments, and if they're supported, I'll do it. Battery life, camera quality, all these things, just ask your questions in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. And thanks for watching, guys. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.